In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google AdSense account for YouTube. By the end, you'll have a brand new AdSense account set up and ready for connecting to your channel when you're eligible for monetization. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use for payments, ideally the same one you use for your YouTube channel. You only need one AdSense account per person, so choose carefully. First, go to the official Google AdSense website in your browser. Double-check the URL so you're on the real Google page and not a lookalike. If you have an ad blocker running, consider turning it off for this setup to avoid any loading issues. On the AdSense homepage, click Sign Up. When prompted, select the Google account email you want to use. This will become the account that receives your AdSense communications and payment-related updates, so pick the address you plan to keep long-term. Next, you'll see a field to enter your website. For YouTube creators, this step is simply about giving AdSense a landing place. You can paste your YouTube channel URL here if you don't have a separate site. If you do have a website and plan to monetize it too, you can paste that instead. Don't worry, your YouTube earnings will be handled correctly once you connect your channel later. You'll be asked whether you want to get more out of AdSense, which is basically a preference for receiving tips and suggestions by email. Here, choose No if you prefer fewer emails. You can always change this preference later inside your AdSense settings. Now, select your country or territory. This is important for your payment profile and the legal terms you'll accept, so make sure it matches where you actually live and bank. Switching regions later can be tricky, so take a moment to confirm this is correct. Read through the terms and conditions, including the program policies and data terms. When you're ready, check the box to agree to the terms. This confirms you understand the rules around monetization, content policies, and payments. Finally, click Start using AdSense. You'll land in your new AdSense dashboard. From here, you're set up and can proceed to link your AdSense account to your YouTube channel through YouTube's monetization settings when you join the YouTube Partner Program. At that point, you'll also complete any required payment details and tax information inside AdSense. That's it. You've created your AdSense account for YouTube. Keep your login secure and remember that all future payment updates will happen here. Thanks for watching and good luck with your channel's monetization journey.